Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We are still hanging out in Nefarious City, trying to pick up all the collectibles that were here. I have an orb somewhere in here, and we have, I think, 2 more bolts. And apparently this little thing here, a pocket dimension, there's stuff in there too that you can do to get armor. Now, okay, that's a wrench. We can apply a skin to our wrench. We're not doing that. We have the Nefarious bot. Unofficial history of Nefarious City. Let's just check this out.
Nefarious City. It has been 10 years since Corson 5 fell, and this rotten place arose out of the ashes like a bloody temple. The Emperor promised peace and order, but all Ms. Zircon got was oppression and slightly cheaper consumer electronics. Travel to other worlds has been heavily restricted, along with civil liberties and public crying. But with all the bleakness and despair and hideous architecture, there is one grace note. This is where the resistance was born.
Okay. And we haven't found any orbs. So I don't know why there's an exclamation point up there. Wrench skins. It doesn't really. How do I know which skin I'm choosing? Anyway, I don't know. Doesn't matter. I guess I can just pick one. There we go. And I did find where the controller layout is. It is under Settings, Controllers and Shortcuts, Controller Layout. So, there we go. Now I can see what the hell I'm doing. Maybe. Okay, so I don't think we have any hover boots yet, right? No, we don't have any hover boots. Alright, so it may get a little boring. And if it gets too boring, I'll kind of cut the videos, kind of scrunch them all together so we can find all of these collectibles. I'm doing this mainly because I'm still learning stuff. And I figured this is the best place to learn stuff before we move on from here. So let's see if we can find how to get to this bolt. This is a bolt, right? A golden bolt. And there's another golden bolt in here somewhere. So there's 2 golden bolts, and we have this dimension thing here, pocket dimension, before we head over to the statue. So there's a bolt here. I don't know where the other bolt is. I've traveled to almost all the areas here. Anyway, let's see if we can get to this bolt.
Now, where's that statue again?
Shut up, Clank.
Take comfort in knowing the Emperor.
Is this going the right direction? We are going somewhat the right direction here. And then this way. So the bolt is up there somehow. This is where we'll do that last. We'll do this.
Looks like damage to the dimension.
Yeah, we'll do that last. We'll figure that out last. I'll pop my head in there for a real quick thing to see what's going on, and it looks like a giant bouncing palace or something, I don't know. Alright, so there must be, oh, like a, one of them little, what do they call them? Whatever this is here. The rift tether. There must be a rift tether to get up there, because that's where we want to be. And we can't get there from here. And what's funny is it can't even see the bolt. So there's a rift tether somewhere here. And I don't see one. I don't even see the bolt glowing up there anywhere. I don't think. Alright, so we're trying to find a rift tether. Like maybe there's one over there too. Can we get over to that area? You know what? I bet if we go from this area, I can come back this way. Now, how do I get over there? How do I get over? Looks like I was over there already once. Let's go back that way. That's this way. Right? It's this way. Yeah, so yeah, we came from here. So let's see if there is something I'm missing over here. Not this way. Come on, dude, get it up there. This way. Okay, this doesn't look good. It looks like I can go down there. Let's not do it just yet. Okay, I can't use the elevator wrench thing here. Well, let's see if we can go down there. It looks like there's a way down. Yeah, okay. So far, as long as there's a place to land, I don't see any fall damage in this game. As long as you have a place to land, I guess you're good. Okay, that comes back down to get you. Alright. Oops. Oh, there's a tether. Is that a tether? No, it's not. Look like one. No. Where am I at? Okay, I'm down here. I want to go. Okay, we got this thing. Whatever that is, I don't know. Here's, oh, those are just the world falling apart, I guess. Now, how do I get out to this little spot right here? This... So that's where I came from. can't go through there. Okay, so I'm here already. This is it. This is the end of the... This is it right here, right? Yeah, and there's no way I can get out of here. So, let's see. There's nothing this way because this is a dead end. Okay. And I am like Mr. Oblivious, so there may be something right here that I'm not seeing. That's the elevator over there. There's a little spot right there. This is the elevator. Okay, this way. This way. This takes me back up again. So I guess that's where we gotta go because... Alright, we're going back up. To here. Ooh, there's a wall over there, a walking wall. Where does that take me, I wonder? Aha! Okay, so let's remember where I am for when I die on the walking wall. Oh, but I can't get to the walking wall from here. Can I? Can I jump to that? Well, let's see. I can. Ooh, there's some more crystals over there. Okay, here we go. Ah, seriously. That's why I wanted to make sure I knew where I was. I gotta go back this way. Okay, there's the walking wall. Alright. Okay, we made it here. Ooh, that's more. That's 3 of them we got. Alright, what's on this end of the... What's over here? More stuff here. Oh, and I have figured out what these are. I didn't even look those up. These ghost things. That is... ammo. For the blast pistol or whatever. That's, I mean, I'm full of ammo right now, so that's what that is. It's telling me there's ammo there, but I can't get it because I'm full. He's a learner. Oop, and there's a bolt.
Now, where's that statue again?
Here we go. So, we got 2 bolts. Life is good. Alright, but there's one more bolt somewhere. How the hell do I get off of here now? not this way. Oh, yeah, I can jump down there. Okay. Alright, so we're missing one bolt. We're missing one bolt. So where would that be? Over here in Nefarious's place, maybe? See, there's some areas over here that I haven't quite discovered yet. And then there's this area over here, but I don't think it's back here. This is the... I think that's the original. That's where we began the game, was right there. I think. So where would the other bolt be? There's a couple... Now this is the factory. I've been throughout that whole place. It could be in... Anyway, let's get out of here. I guess I can jump down here is what it looks like I can do. Because there's a place to land down there. Before I do that, though... I don't think there's anywhere to land down here, is there? No, that's death there. Alright, so we gotta go this way. The game is leading me in this direction, so let's go this way. Yeah, that's death that way, so we can only go this way, I guess. Yeah, there we go. We can go down here. Okay. Alright, now there's one area that we skated through pretty fast. I don't remember if I've been back there or not, and I don't even know how to get there. Well, maybe it was this way. That was when you were following the Phantom. Which way was that? You were following the Phantom. Was that going through here? Or this way? Which way is the Phantom? This way? It's not this way, was it? I don't know, let's see. There's more ammo. Okay, good to know. I think maybe this is the way we followed the Phantom. Yeah, because we fought a bunch of guys in there. I don't know how we got in here, because we didn't have the Phantom Dash to get in here originally. Let's see. I think this was the way we went. Because we just kind of followed him, so I didn't look for stuff that much. Oh yeah, this is the way we went. Okay, let's see if we can do this without... Get out of my way, robot. Okay. Oops. Health, that's good. Okay. Nothing here, right? Where are we now? So we are heading back here, so maybe the bolt is down here somewhere. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so... I don't think we inspected these areas that well over here. Can't get in there. And all we got is this jumpy thing here. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember now. This is also where the flying ship walls are that Let's see, before we go anywhere else... Okay, that's death down... Well, that's not death. There's a platform down there. Is that Mickey Mouse? Looks like Mickey Mouse. Okay. Okay, then we have an elevator here. Okay. We're going back here. I don't see any little rift tethers yet. I'm thinking that I think it's in here somewhere. Maybe over here. I don't know how far back we gotta go, but... Oh, here we go. Ah! Really? Alright, did it take my other golden thing away from me? It did not. Okay, here we go again. They need some more save points in this game for stupid people like me. What is this way? Okay, nothing that way. We want to go... This way? This way, over here. Alright, so I gotta do the whole jumpy thing again. There should be a save point in that somewhere, in the middle of that whole thing. I don't know why my tether grabber thing didn't work that time. Try and get it.
Now where's that statue again?
Uh-oh. See, now, why didn't he just grab that wall? I jumped on it, didn't I? If y'all could just see how much my hands are sweating doing all of this. It's nuts. Alright, we're back to where we were. We're getting close to it anyway. Alright, now this is where I died. Okay. Now, where are we? Since we made it this far, it would be nice if it could save it, but it didn't. So we have we can go back that way. Okay, here we are here. Is this the wall, the moving walls? We got this thing here. That's gonna take me down there. Okay. And then there's another moving wall there now. I don't see any little rift tethers or whatever they call them. What's this here? This looks like something I shouldn't be doing. But it also looks like something you should do because there's platforms here, right? Alright, let's go this way. Nope. Don't tell me I gotta do that all over again now. Oh, crap. Okay, here we go. One more time. Yeah, I hate games like this. I mean, you should be able to do a quick save or something. Especially in the beginning of the game when you're trying to learn it. I'll have to look it up. I don't think there's any quick saves in this game. Doesn't look like I couldn't find any. I wonder if that thing has a duration or something that you can change.
Now, where's that statue again?
Whoops, don't fall off. Okay. I gotta look at that area on the map too, see what's there. If there's something that take all this stuff again? Sure, why not? Alright, so this way. Oh, we gotta do some wall walking again, okay. Alright, so let's investigate this just a little bit. So I have to bounce up and then bounce over to that one, I guess. Alright, okay. Uh-oh, I'm on a ledge for some reason now, but I'm gonna die here, it looks like. Yeah, we're gonna die here. Huh. Why would you come this way? There must be something up above me that I can't see. Up there. Pretty sure you're not supposed to do this, but let's walk around the edge of the building, see what happens. Until I die. Hell, why not? I'm probably just gonna expire out here. Yep, we're gonna die right here. Okay, there's no other way to go, is there, but death. Alright. So, I'll just come back when I get it figured out and I get over in that area. Okay, I'm back. Many, many deaths later. So, trying to jump up on that little elevator, or this little elevator, is crazy. Mostly because that sign right there gets in the way. So you have to come across on that wall over there, which we came across when we were with the Phantom. And I died like 5 times doing that because it's very treacherous to get onto that landing right there. Now, there's a landing down there though. I don't know if that is... Let's see. Let's see what's... Can I go back down there? Ooh, I got some health. Can I go back down to that? Let's go see what's down there. Go this way. Go this way. Let's go this way. Okay, watch it, game. Don't mess me up now. Just play the hell getting over here. Okay, so there's nothing there, really. That's just a landing platform to get on there from that wall. Man, it's weird. You gotta do a glide. You gotta do a glide on the wall, a double jump. I don't know. Finally made it though. And I don't really know what I'm going to find here either. Oh, this is the other insanity here. Okay. Okay, and I'm not even sure. Let's see. I don't even know if what I'm doing makes any sense. I'm going over here because there's some areas that that I haven't discovered that might have collectibles. I only need one more bolt, so there's a bolt in here somewhere. Alright, so we gotta run across these walls here, which just are not that fun. Nope. And guess what? I'm all the way back at the beginning again. Alright, so I'm not going to put everybody through this torture until I can get to the other platform again. And I'm back. Alright, so I did a little research just to see if what I was doing, which was stupid enough that I was doing it over and over again, to see if it was going to result in anything. And it was not. I finally made it all the way up to the top. And where were we at? This is going to be here. The little walls, the traveling walls that you have to jump across to get to in order to get to this area here. Well, I'm sure there were people yelling and screaming at me. There was a little tether there that you were supposed to swing on after you go through the wall. I eventually made it back up there. Realized that, you know, what I'm looking for ain't there. The bolt is not there. It's over here somewhere. I looked it up. It's right in this area. And then something else I discovered on my wandering around here. Get out of my way, robots. Is that, let me see, where is there's the discotheque, or whatever you want to call it, the nightclub. Going this way. Where was it at? Was it here? Here. There is something here. Another collectible. I don't know what that is. It's a Krieger bear, okay? I found a Krieger bear. It's so fluffy. But it doesn't show up here. So it's not really a collectible. And there's no lorbs here, or whatever they're called. We don't have any lorbs. We got the bot, and there's one more bolt, and we know where the bolt is. So let's go get the bolt. If I can do this without dying a bazillion times, we'll be okay. It's this way. The bolt is this way. And it's really funny. I was playing this without my headphones on, trying to just research all of this stuff. And that music, you can't even hear that music without headphones on. It barely makes a sound. Okay, see that little thing up there? That was what was over by the flying walls, and I never saw it. Never saw it. There was two of them there. That's why I died. And I died a bunch of times. And I said, okay, wait a minute, something's screwed up here. And I had to go back and watch my video of that area so that I could see how I got over it the first time. Okay, so this is the back side of the disco. Okay. There's nothing over this way. Okay, so what we want is over this way, I believe. Right, there it is. Okay, and we go this way. And there it is.
How did this get here?
Oh, and there's some more raritanium right there too. Good. Awesome. So now I guess I can just use the... Can I use that thing to get back? Where is it? How do I get back? There it is. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Oh, I gotta get to that one over there. Okay, and then we're gonna go this way. Okay, and we got some more stuff here. Alright, so that covers not quite all the collectibles, does it? And I don't understand this here. What's it doing here? I don't know. Looks like the screen is doing something weird. Okay, here we go. This is what we want. So I have this, and I don't know what the enhanced gallery is. New characters have been added to the gallery. Okay. What characters? A goon dropship. Nefarious city citizen. Megalopolis citizen. Dr. Nefarious party crasher. So, I mean, I don't know which ones they added. Captain Quark. Okay, whatever. And I don't know what this means. This, I can change. I can replace the bolts. Gotta look that up and see what the deal is with that. Because you can replace the bolt with a coin, or an orb, or rubies, or an overcharge. I don't know. We gotta look that up and see what the dealio is that. Okay, so now we got one more thing we need to do. We need to do this thing here, which is more platforming that I'm just gonna suck at. See, there's nothing over here. Okay. And we gotta go this way. I forgot what's this way. Oh yeah, that's over this way. Ah, that's okay. I'd make a shortcut to where I want to go. I still got all my golden keys, right? Or my golden keys. Damn, wrong game. All my bolts. I got my bolts. Alright, we want to go this way. I can tell you right now that I'm pretty sure this is going to work well. And I'll maybe give it a couple deaths before I stop recording.
Is this caused by the Dimensionator exploding?
So, here we go. There's one death. And that goes. Okay, here we go. Well, how do you get over there?
Miss you, buddy.
Okay. Uh-oh. Ah, I was so close. Guess I could have blasted that guy before I got there, eh? okay. That's a lot of deaths already. That's too many deaths already. Really? Okay, we're just. I'll give it one more time. We'll give it one more shot. This is nuts. Yep. Okay, kids. I won't torture you with this. We'll get into that. We're gonna go to the. I'm gonna do this off camera, and then we're gonna go to the statue. That's what we're supposed to do. So when you come back, we'll be back at the marketplace. So if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.